Today, I'm diving into something brand new inside of Gemini app. It's called Nano Banana Pro, and it is legitimately one of the biggest upgrades to creative control that we have ever gotten in an AI tool. If you create photos, mockups, posters, infographics, thumbnails, or anything visual, this update is a game changer, and today I'm going to show you exactly why. Before we go any further, check this out. I'm going to take a regular photo and instantly shift the lighting, adjust the camera angle, focus on the subject, and even blend a second image. Then I'm going to drop in some perfectly sharp text like it was designed by a professional. Everything you just saw has been done in Nano Banana Pro. No Photoshop, no editing skills, just a prompt. Now let's back up, because if you're like me, you've probably run into this and you take a picture and then the lighting's off. The camera angle isn't right. You try to blend multiple images and the image looks fake. You design a poster and the text gets distorted or blurry. You try to build a diagram and it takes forever. And then you go to post it somewhere and you have to resize it for every single platform manually. It's frustrating. It steals your time, and most of the time the tool gets in the way of the creativity. That's the pain point Nano Banana Pro was built to solve. When you open the Gemini app, you see this headline: the next level of creative control, Nano Banana Pro. And that is exactly what it is. Your creative ideas suddenly become fun and functional. You can edit photos with more camera and lighting and controls, and you can blend multiple images seamlessly. You can design posters with incredibly sharp text. You can build diagrams, and then you can resize them for any platform you want. Nano Banana Pro takes the original Nano Banana model, which is already good, and turns it into something professional. One of my favorite features is how you can dial in every detail. You can transform the vibe of any image, shift a sunny day photo into a moody nighttime shot, experiment with different camera angles, adjust your focus so subjects pop perfectly. It feels like you have full control over lighting and camera equipment without actually owning any of it, and it all happens instantly. Nano Banana Pro lets you apply style in seconds. You can take the texture, color palette, or aesthetic from any reference photo and instantly apply it to your subject. Do you want a dreamy illustration vibe? Done. A grungy 90s look? Done. A retro film look? Done. Studio portrait tone? Done. This is one of the easiest ways to experiment with the aesthetics without building anything from scratch. This one's huge for creators. Nano Banana Pro gives you one visual, many sizes. You can make your creations once and instantly resize it to fit whatever format you need, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or a print layout. And it does it without cropping the most important details, which is something every creator will appreciate. And then there's text. This is one of the biggest upgrades Nano Banana Pro comes with. It comes with advanced text rendering, which means your words look clean and accurate inside the image. They fit right into the scene. Instead of looking warped or fake, you can create logos, posters, comics, invitations, and anything else you want in many languages, and the text actually looks right. If you've ever tried putting readable text into AI images before, you know that this is a massive improvement. Now let's talk about combining photos. The base model could already blend two images. Nano Banana Pro can blend even more. You can take a selfie and add anything to it. You can merge two people, create a retro mall portrait, try on different hairstyles, or even turn yourself into a miniature figurine. And blending looks intentional. It doesn't have that weird cutout or mismatch effect. So what makes Nano Banana actually pro? Here's the official upgrade list. Advanced text rendering, precise editing controls like lighting, camera angle, and aspect ratio, 2K resolution for crisp professional quality images, enhanced world knowledge for better infographics and diagrams, combining more photos with cleaner results. This is the stuff professionals need, and this is what makes it feel like a real design tool rather than just a toy. So what does all of this mean for you as a business owner? It means you can save hours on design work. You can make professional graphics without learning complex software. You can build diagrams and infographics effortlessly. You can resize everything instantly, and you can keep a consistent look across your content. You don't need a lighting setup. You don't need props. You don't need a camera crew. You don't even need advanced editing skills. Nano Banana Pro gives you the creative control of a full design team inside of one model. if you want to try this out, open the Gemini app, go to Create Images, and select the thinking model. That's Nano Banana Pro. It's available for Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra users with the highest access. And honestly, once you start using it, it's really hard to go back. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know in the comments what you want me to test next. And also, if you found this video helpful, consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, where we talk all things AI for your business.